So we are at this place called Waffle House, and this is becoming like our adda of coming. Actually, that's what my child. This is soon after his school. This place Waffle House is very close to his school, which is New York Academy. And wow, so this is an English breakfast we ordered. Awesome, for 269 bucks. And these are pancakes with maple syrup and sauteed vegetables. And uh, Ayush, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
Baked beans 4 out of 10.
Rate 4 out of 10? That's a bad rating, yeah.
Sauteed vegetables
Maple
6
syrup.
out of 10. Pancake 8 out of 10.
That's like for 269 bucks. It's really good. And if you were to bring this here, okay. And we are waiting for the chocolate crepe also. So yeah, sauteed vegetables, yeah. Yeah, pretty good. This is the English breakfast. Oh, and the orange juice. Wow. So that completes it. This is good. Good stuff, really. So I'm so glad we tried this breakfast option. Ayush, can you pass the tissue? So this is good. Good stuff, really. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.